Welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll walk you through the quick and easy way to forward multiple files from chats on Telegram's desktop app using the latest update. Whether you're sharing documents, photos, or videos, this method saves time and keeps your workflow seamless. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. If you haven't already, log into your account to access your chats. Once you're in, navigate to the chat containing the files you want to forward. This could be a direct message, group chat, or channel. Click on the chat's name in the top left corner to open the Shared Media section. Here, you'll see all the files exchanged in this conversation. Look for the Files tab and click it to view documents, photos, and videos. Now, right-click on one of the files you wish to forward. A menu will appear. Select Choose from the options. This activates multi-select mode, allowing you to pick multiple files at once. With the first file selected, click on any additional files you want to include. Selected items will be highlighted, making it easy to track your choices. Once you've picked everything, locate the forward icon at the top of the screen. It looks like a right-facing arrow. Click it, and a list of your chats and contacts will pop up. Choose the recipient or group where you'd like to send the files. You can scroll through your list or use the search bar to find a specific contact quickly. After selecting the destination, review your choices to confirm everything's correct. If you'd like, add a message to accompany the forwarded files by typing in the text box. When you're ready, hit the blue send arrow to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully forwarded multiple files in Telegram on your PC. This feature is perfect for sharing project documents, vacation photos, or work-related materials without sending items one by one. Remember, the latest update streamlines this process, so take advantage of it to boost your productivity. For more tips on mastering Telegram's desktop features, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.